Understanding object pronouns in English, simple and practical examples. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into the world of object pronouns. Don't worry if you're not familiar with them yet, because after this video, you'll be using them like a pro. Object pronouns are a core part of the English language, and mastering them can greatly improve your speaking and writing skills. First off, let's define what object pronouns are. Object pronouns are used to replace the noun that is the object of a sentence. They include me, you, him, her, it, us, you, plural, and them. For example, instead of saying, John likes Jane, you can say, John likes her. Let's move on to some simple examples. When you're just starting to learn, it can be easier to understand with short, straightforward sentences. 1. He saw me. 2. I love you. 3. She called him. 4. We need it. 5. They heard us. 6. You saw them. In each of these sentences, the bold words are object pronouns. They're taking the place of the object in each sentence. Now that you're comfortable with simple sentences, let's move on to some more complex examples. These will help you understand how object pronouns function in more varied and realistic conversations. 1. Mary gave me the book that she bought yesterday. 2. I will tell you all about my trip when I get back. 3. Can she lend him the notes from the last class? 4. We use it to cut the vegetables for the salad. 5. They invited us to their wedding next month. 6. You should give them a chance to explain. Again, the bold words are object pronouns. They take the place of the objects in each sentence, making the sentences less repetitive and more fluent. Now that we've covered some examples, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. One of the most frequent mistakes is using a subject pronoun, like I, he, she, we, they, instead of an object pronoun. Remember, after a verb, we must use an object pronoun. For instance, we say, she loves him, not, she loves he. So, there you have it, a practical guide to using object pronouns in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate these into your everyday conversations and your writing. The more you use them, the more natural it will feel. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, keep up the great work with your English studies.